Hi, I'm June, and I want to show you what's possible with Instagram.
At about 5,000 followers, I started to receive messages from companies offering me free things. At 13K, a modeling agency found me and gave me a contract. Then I got a chance to be in commercials. Still think 13 is an unlucky number? At 18K, I was invited to my first beauty pageant. It was the first time ever that someone actually paid me to travel. They also paid for my hotels, meals, and activities.
Can you imagine that? I am a guy, and I was invited to a beauty pageant in a different country. I used to be overweight, a nerd. In high school, I was voted as a teacher's pet. I mean, look at that. Would you date somebody like this? I wouldn't even date myself. Wait, that doesn't sound right.
Now, I'm working with brands like Banana Republic for their winter campaigns and Forever 21 for their spring promotions.
You must think I have millions of followers, right? I mean, I have to have at least 100K, right? I don't have 100K, not even close.
So, what's the secret? I didn't realize the secret until an event organizer told me. June, we want to invite you to our red carpet event because people like what you post.
What? That's the secret? Yes, it's all about engagement. Being Instafamous is not about how many people are following you. It's about how good your relationship is with the people who are following you.
When I started teaching this idea to my students, their Instagram grew like crazy. When I explained to Catherine how to create the perfect identity on Instagram, her art business took off. Many people started to buy her products. How does she do it? She only posts her skills, her entertaining personality, and her helpful attitude. That's it. No more, no less, because those are the main things that help her connect with her followers. When I told Michael to stop posting random bits and pieces of his life that no one cared about, his bodybuilding hobby took off. Now, he has several sponsorship deals and constantly receives free items and payments for being an ambassador. How did he do it? He knows that every time he posts something, he is telling a short story, and that helps him connect with his followers. Just like thousands of my other satisfied students who gave me positive feedback on my academy, they were able to connect with their followers.
Look, I'm gonna be direct with you. It's 2020 and there's a lot of BS information around. Instagram is hiding likes. Now you can post whatever you want without feeling like you're judged. What? What are you talking about? Instagram is hiding your likes, but your likes are still there. The algorithm is still judging you. Then other people are telling you to post shareable content, and they make it sound easy. Post quotes. Okay, try it. Post this inspirational quote and see what happens. Nobody cares. Why? Because it's 2020. Everyone's doing it. You are not growing right now because you are distracted by all the things that don't matter.
Posting quotes, posting memes, following and unfollowing, using automation services, using IG's newest quiz stickers, paying for ads, paying for shoutouts, finding the prettiest filters, telling people to tag a friend, researching the best hashtags to use, and so on.
I had a student who spent an entire week, a week, searching for the best hashtags to use in her niche. Do you know what I told her? I told her to go onto Fiverr.com and pay someone $5 and they will do all the work for her. Just like her, you should be focusing your time on the things that matter, which is to create content.
This is why in my course, among many other things, I spend at least a week teaching you just how to create content so your followers will care. This is also why, besides showing you how to grow on Instagram, I will also teach you the psychology of getting people to like you. Like what you do, like what you post, and like what's going on in your life. Because that is the true secret to becoming Instafamous, becoming an influencer.
My job as your coach is to make sure that every time you post something, people will care. That's what you really need right now. You understand that, right? Because if you can get people to care, I can promise you, the world is yours. Welcome to my Instafamous Academy. Let's start making people care about you.